Good morning to all. Today we will discuss the characteristics of diamond and sodium chloride structure. First, we will concentrate on diamond structure. In case of diamond structure, lattice possesses a structure which is formed by the combination of two interplanar rating FCC sublattices along the body diagonal by 1 by 4 cube edge. That is, there are two different sublattices of FCC crystal which are diagonally connected by 1 by 4 cube edge. Here, one lattice has the origin at the point of 0, 0, 0 and the other has the lattice and the origin of the point is a by 4, a by 4, a by 4, that is 1 by 4 cube edge diagonal connected. Here examples of diamond like structures are germanium and silicon. In this we can see the lattice points which are arranged in 1 by 4 tilted cube edge of diamond structure. Here we can see the 3D image of diamond structure. The atoms which are placed in the positions of diamond structure. Now the coordination number of diamond is 4. That is because of the number of nearest neighboring atoms for the atom at each point, that is 1 by 4 is 4. So the coordination number of diagonal diamond structure is 4. Now we can calculate the number of atoms per unit cell. Contribution by the FCC structure is 1 by 8 into 8, that is because of the corner atoms, and 1 by 2 into 6, that is because of the FCC atom. So totally there are 4 atoms which are attributed by contribution by the FCC structure. Next we have contribution by the atoms at a by 4 position is 4. So totally we have contribution by the FCC structure plus contribution by the atoms at the 1 by 4 cross edge is equal to 4 plus 4, that is 8. So the number of atoms in the diamond structure is 8. Then we can calculate what is atomic radius. Atomic radius of diamond structure is A into square root of 3 by 8, where we can take the positions triangle ABC from the nearest neighboring atoms at the edge 1. So we have AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. This is from Pythagoras theorem. So AC squared is equal to, connect the remaining values, AD squared plus DB squared plus BC squared. So AD is nothing but A by 4. Substitute the values. So A by 4 the square plus A by 4 square plus A by 4 square. Adding these values and simplify it, we get R squared is equal to 3A square divided by 64, where R is equal to A into square root of 3 by 8. That is atomic radius value of diamond structure is A into root 3 by 8. By using these values, we can calculate the atomic packing factor, that is number of atoms per unit cell in diamond structure is 8 and volume of one atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is A into root 3 by 8 and volume of unit cell is A cube. By substituting all the values we get and simplify it, atomic packing factor for diamond structure is 0.34 only, that is 34% of atoms are filled in the crystal structure. Next we will move on to the sodium chloride structure. In case of sodium chloride structure, we can see the chlorine atoms are in green in color and sodium atoms are blue in color. Here sodium chloride lattice structure has two FCC sublattice like diamond structure, where Na plus ion has its origin at 0, 0, 0, but chlorine ion has its origin midway along the cube edge at one point, that is A by 2. But in case of diamond structure, we have the origin at 0, 0, 0 and A by 4, A by 4, A by 4, that is tilted by 1 by 4 cube edge. But in case of sodium chloride structure, we have a single point tilt, that is A by 2. So each unit cell of NaCl has 4 Na plus ions and 4 associated chlorine ions. Examples: KBr, AgBr, KCl and MgO are having sodium chloride structure. These are the atoms, lattice points of sodium chloride structure. Here we can see the arrangement of atoms in 3 dimension. Now we calculate the coordination number. Coordination number for sodium chloride structure is 6. It's almost like simple cubic structure. So Na plus ion has 6 chlorine ions as nearest atoms. Similarly, each chlorine ion has 6 Na plus atoms as nearest neighbor. So the coordination number is 6 for sodium chloride structure. Then number of atoms per unit cell is 4 for this system, that is 1 by 4 into 12. This is from the unit cells and 1 is from the closed structure. So totally we have 4 is the number of atoms per unit cell. In this video we have discussed the characteristics of diamond structure and sodium chloride structure. Thank you.